ang bandang 15 years na nagbisaya. You know, we're so proud of our language that I'm speaking in English now. You know what? Loving our language, our culture in general, goes hand in hand with loving the environment. That's why I told my band Miss Bai, for this moment lang, for this event lang, don't smoke. Don't smoke. And then they said yes. So we are obedient for just 3 hours or 4 hours. But we're one with you guys in protecting our environment. We have a song, we wrote a song about the environment. We wrote it for this another group called Rare. They're protecting the Tanyan Strait. And then the song is out already, but we have another version of that. The band version will be out in December. So that's one song about environment. Tanyan Strait is very rich in biodiversity. And then also, I'm from Pinamungahan, and then I learned to swim there in that strait. So I used to swim from Pinamungahan to San Carlos City, across the strait there. Yeah, I'm talking because I don't know what to sing next. This is a song called Ngano Ba. You keep on wondering why you're not with that girl, and then why that girl is with somebody else. So we keep on asking ourselves, ganun nila ba kita? Yeah, one of the first songs that we wrote sa band.
Nakasip na medyo